Are you looking to buy a home in Washington, D.C.? This program could help eligible applicants receive a maximum of $202,000 in gap financing assistance and an additional $4,000 in closing cost assistance. So let's break down how it works and see if this might be a good fit for you. Hi everyone, I'm Zaire with Simple Real Estate. Through this video series, we highlight programs that can help make homeownership more accessible. For many buyers, saving for a down payment and closing costs is one of the biggest challenges when purchasing a home. In this video, we'll cover the goal of the program, what you need to qualify, and how to apply. And if you'd like to learn more, we'll include the official link in the description below. Today, we're focusing on the Home Purchase Assistance Program, also known as HPAP, in Washington, D.C. This program was created to help low to moderate income homebuyers purchase a home in D.C. by reducing the money needed to close. As of the making of this video, there is still $4.6 million remaining in assistance. If funds are currently depleted, this is your time to prepare, not pause. These programs usually receive new funding each fiscal year, and they go fast. So the goal is to be fully ready to apply the moment they reopen. It provides assistance for both your down payment and closing costs in the form of a deferred loan. That means there is 0% interest, no monthly payments, and repayment is deferred until you sell the home, refinance, or move out. Depending on your income and financial need, a portion of that loan may also be forgiven over time. The maximum income for this program is $191,550, and depending on your exact income, you may be eligible for up to $202,000 in assistance. The maximum assistance you can get depends not only on your income but also on your household size. We have placed the most accurate limits we have on the screen. The property must be used as your primary residence and can include single-family homes, condos, townhomes, and co-ops. Another major benefit is that this program can be used with multiple loan types, including conventional, FHA, and VA loans. It may also be combined with other assistance programs, depending on your lender. Now let's talk about who qualifies. This program is designed for first-time homebuyers, meaning you typically cannot have owned a home in the past 3 years. Once again, your maximum potential assistance depends on household size and income, and they're shown on the screen. You'll need to meet standard lender requirements, including credit score, debt-to-income ratio, and overall loan approval. You can reach out to any of the lenders on your screen for more information. In addition, you must complete a homebuyer education course before purchasing. If this program sounds like a good fit, here's how the process works. First, you complete a homebuyer education course. Then you'll meet with an approved lender to get pre-approved for a mortgage. Next, you'll apply for the HPAP program through DC Systems and submit your required documents. Once you're approved, you can move forward finding a home and getting it under contract. From there, your lender will finalize everything and you'll move towards closing, where the assistance funds will be applied to your down payment and closing cost. And that's a quick overview of the Home Purchase Assistance Program in Washington, D.C. Programs like this can be extremely helpful for buyers who are close to purchasing but need support with out-of-pocket cost, especially in a high-cost market like DC. Just remember, funding is limited and programs like this can fill up quickly. If you have questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, stay tuned, because we'll be covering more homebuyer assistance programs in upcoming videos. Once again, I'm Zaire, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.